So what we're going to make today is a scrambled egg. So the first thing we need to do is whisk up our egg. So in the bowl I've got 5 eggs, and this is a scrambled egg just for myself. So I'm giving it a good whisk. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some double cream. For me, I would add approximately 50 mils. Doesn't need to be exact. And again, give that a good whisk to make sure it's all mixed together. What the double cream does is it gives it a nice smooth texture and consistency, and adds a bit of richness to the flavour. When you're giving it a good whisk, then we'll move over to the pan. So on the stove I've got quite a large pan, butter nicely melted within the pan. I'm going to add the egg to the pan on a low heat. With scrambled egg, really important you cook it nice and low and slow. The lower and slower you cook it, the better the scrambled egg is going to be. So once we've just got a little bit of heat through it, then what we're going to do is we're going to get the wooden spoon and give it a mix. The reason to do this is that we're breaking the egg up to make sure that we don't end up with an omelette, because we don't want an omelette. What we want is a nice pan of scrambled egg. So give it a good mix around like that. Don't need to consistently mix it, just keep coming back to it and giving it a break it all up, because we're cooking it nice and low and slow. So depending on how you like your scrambled egg, depends on how long you cook it for and how much you mix it around. For me, I like my scrambled eggs to be soft, don't like it fully firm and don't like it fully cooked in that respect. So my scrambled egg will still be soft. Make sure you keep giving it a good mix around like that, so you're breaking it all up. What you'll see now is that the scrambled egg is nice and soft. And I'll just give it one last mix, and then I'll just show you how soft I like it. So like I say, not firm at all, but if you want it firm, you cook it just a little bit longer and it'll be nice and firm. Now what we're going to do is optional extra, which is mushrooms, so fried mushrooms. This time I've got on a medium heat, melted butter already in there, give the mushrooms a nice mix around. What we're looking to do is just soften the mushrooms and lightly cook them through. So I've just added some salt and pepper to my omelette, and get the mushrooms, one last mix, then we're going to take them and add them to the omelette. As you can see, there's my omelette, mushrooms, rocket, lovely.